Oh, the bird popped back up. Come back to you.
That's so good. Yeah, that's so good.
Lakeland Park.
Do about a minute and something each one, and then do like in 2 sections with him playing on the slides too later. And she'll get more content. Is that going on your YouTube and stuff?
Yes.
You'll get more content because Patrick's.
No. A lot of things.
I just can't go live because my phone is broke. I can't
In
invite nobody
wetlands.
in.
These things, me and Mommy are running by the way.
Yeah, I'm leaving your ass. Sorry.
Even I'm amazing. Because you might haven't wanted.
Looks like there's water moccasins.
Yes, if you go maybe later if you want. You come back to my house.
Mm-hmm.
We could go through the trails where I live.
Okay.
With him. Just something. I mean, you don't want to go home yet, do you? Neither do I.
There's nothing to do at home.
But we're not going home.
Minus me eating lasagna that we made.
I made homemade pancakes last night.
Ooh.
And it tastes just like the box
You used
pancake.
flour? Yeah, I did flour, baking powder.
Mm-hmm. Baking soda?
No, baking powder.
Oh, you used the baking soda.
Baking soda is too hard.
My grandma used to use flour, baking soda, and the smoothies that Pepper made for me with the juice is really good. Alligator. If I get this close to an alligator, I'm probably running.
No, it was
There's
a.
an alligator park.
I wish I had some raw chicken if I got it close. How about here you go?
The alligator park, Tabitha, is you go pet the alligators. I want to go pet the alligators so bad. My husband said I have a freaking death.
We're in wetlands
What is with you with
at
the
a
big
park in
animals?
Lakeland.
Like the tigers. The tigers and stuff.
All the next time we go to the zoo, because when I think we get tag 20, I'm going to have you pay for the tickets. I want to do the rhinos. Mason wanted to come to our last day there.
Well, when you do that, that's on certain days. They're having new exhibits.
Oh, the Australian one. The Australian
I
exhibit.
know, but they're having where you could touch. My husband has no problems driving to Miami because we were going to drive to Miami Beach for the day, but we wanted to stay there for like the weekend.
Yeah, I was telling him that.
If we do that, we gotta stay for a weekend. We gotta get like 2 rooms, me and you. And I want to go. It's $35 to go through the Amazon on one of those boats.
Oh,
But I'm so
Well,
afraid
the
because of the snake, not the alligators, the goddamn snakes. That's what scares me because there's pythons out there. I was looking it up and I was talking to the guy because I called them. He goes, listen, it's $35 for an hour and a half. He goes, but you gotta realize there are snakes in there. You'll see everything. I'm telling you, that's the problem with me. I want to go so bad, but I'm afraid of the snakes. I want to try to be adventurous.
If anybody knows any more free parks in the area,
And do more contact.
hit us up on YouTube.
I know, they're